Living in Pompano Beach means enjoying abundant sunshine and a bright coastal atmosphere. When windows are outdated or poorly positioned, however, much of that natural light can be lost, leaving rooms feeling darker or less inviting than they should be. New window installation can dramatically change how light enters a home and how living spaces feel overall. For Pompano Beach homeowners, upgrading windows is about more than efficiency. It's about transforming the look, mood, and comfort of each room. Bringing more natural light indoors. One of the most noticeable changes after new window installation is the increase in natural light. Modern windows are designed with larger glass areas and slimmer frames, allowing more sunlight to enter the home. In Pompano Beach living spaces, this added daylight creates brighter interiors that feel open and welcoming. Rooms that once felt dim can become lively, energizing spaces simply through improved light exposure. Enhancing the sense of space. Natural light has a powerful effect on how a room feels. Well-lit spaces often appear larger and more open, even without adding square footage. For Pompano Beach homeowners, new window installation can make living rooms, kitchens, and bedrooms feel more spacious. This visual expansion is especially valuable in compact or enclosed areas where light was previously limited. Creating a stronger indoor-outdoor connection. Pompano Beach homes often benefit from scenic views, tropical landscaping, or outdoor living areas. New windows help strengthen the connection between indoors and outdoors. Clear, expansive glass allows homeowners to enjoy views and daylight throughout the day, making rooms feel more connected to the surrounding environment. Softening harsh light for better comfort. While abundant sunlight is a benefit, unmanaged glare can be uncomfortable. New windows offer glass options that filter or diffuse light without blocking it completely. In Pompano Beach homes, this balance ensures rooms stay bright without excessive glare or heat, improving overall comfort while preserving the airy coastal feel. Improving light balance throughout the home. Older windows may allow uneven light distribution, leaving some rooms overly bright and others too dark. New window installation helps balance light across the home by placing windows strategically and using modern designs. For Pompano Beach homeowners, this creates a more harmonious indoor environment where each room feels thoughtfully designed. Refreshing interior design and atmosphere. Light plays a major role in how colors, textures, and decor appear. New windows can change the way finishes and furnishings look throughout the day. In Pompano Beach living spaces, increased natural light enhances interior design, making colors appear richer and rooms feel fresher and more vibrant. Improving comfort without sacrificing light. New windows are designed to provide light while controlling heat and airflow. This means homeowners can enjoy bright interiors without the discomfort that often comes with older windows. For Pompano Beach homes, this combination of light and comfort makes living spaces more enjoyable year-round. Supporting better mood and well-being. Natural light has been shown to positively impact mood and daily well-being. Bright, sunlit rooms often feel more uplifting and comfortable. For Pompano Beach homeowners, new window installation contributes to a more pleasant living environment that supports relaxation and productivity. Professional installation makes the difference. The placement and alignment of new windows are just as important as the windows themselves. Professional installation ensures windows are positioned correctly to maximize light and enhance room feel. Expert installers understand how to optimize natural light while maintaining balance and comfort in Pompano Beach homes. A bright transformation for Pompano Beach homes. New window installation transforms indoor light and room atmosphere in powerful ways. By increasing daylight, enhancing space, and improving comfort, modern windows redefine how rooms feel and function. For Pompano Beach homeowners, it's an upgrade that delivers beauty, brightness, and everyday enjoyment.